Looking busy is not a business strategy. Well, this is Mendi on my hands. My sister just got married. So, yes, I've been very busy with that. But today, let's talk about being busy in business. All right, picture this. You're a business owner sitting peacefully, maybe sipping on your third coffee of the day, finally taking a breather, and then someone walks up to you and says, Hey, not much work today? Now, they probably mean no harm. It's a genuine question. But in your mind, you're like, Excuse me? Not much work? Immediately, your brain goes into full panic mode. Did I seriously take too long of a break? You scramble for words. Oh, no, I was just taking a very strategic 5-second break before my next task. Long, busy day ahead. Sound familiar? That's because society has drilled this bizarre rule into us. If you're not busy, you must be slacking off. Entrepreneurs, listen up. This whole I must be constantly working or else I'm a failure mentality, it's a scam. A completely glorified stress inducing scam. We've been tricked into thinking that the busier you look, the more productive you must be. But that's like assuming someone furiously stirring their coffee is somehow making it taste better. Well, are they? No, they're just making a mess. Here's the truth. Being busy does not equal being productive. Entrepreneurs don't have bosses breathing down their necks. But we still carry this guilt like if we are not drowning in tasks 24/7, we must be doing something wrong. And that's just nonsense. Imagine telling a chef, hey, if you're not chopping onions every second, you're not a real chef. No, a great chef knows when to prep, when to cook, and when to let things simmer. Your business is the same. So here's the mindset shift. Don't glorify being busy. Glorify being effective. The goal isn't to work more, it's to work smarter. Having free time isn't a crime, it's actually the secret sauce. That's when you make your best decisions. That's when the most creative thoughts appear. And that's when you realize you don't always have to be the one doing the work. Figure out your true strength. Use it where it matters. Don't keep doing someone else's job just to feel productive. There are moments when you need to sit back, do nothing, let your brain breathe. Because that moment of nothingness, that's where strategy is born. So, next time someone asks, not much work today, just smile and say, nope, just choosing strategy over sweat today. Trust me, that will throw them off way more than any dramatic excuse. So let's start a quiet little revolution against pointless busyness. Because let's be real, we've got better things to do. Like, I don't know, taking an actual lunch break for once. If you've liked what I've talked about, keep watching these videos. You know there's lots more where that has come from. See you in the next one.